How to edit photos in Canva PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. Open a new or existing design where you want to edit photos. Next, click on the Elements button in the left-hand panel and go to the Photos section. Choose a photo from Canva's library or upload your own image from the Uploads panel. Click on the photo to add it to your canvas. Once the photo is on your canvas, select it to reveal the top toolbar with editing options. You can resize, crop, rotate, flip or move the photo to fit your design perfectly. For more advanced edits, click on Edit in the toolbar. Here you can adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, tint and blur, apply filters or use effects like duotone, autofocus, face retouch, shadows to make your image stand out. You can also layer photos with other elements, add text or shapes over the image, or use transparency to create unique visual effects. After editing, click Download or Share to save your design in formats like PNG, JPG, or PDF. Now you know how to edit photos in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.